You have so many. Okay. And then for the fabric, oh, they have it here. The red. We have the beads, 125. Oh, okay, and that. Okay, they have these, like, I don't know how much, but this is a 125 section. But you know, sometimes it mix. It's just like that. You see, number design. They're all the same. They have the transformer. Oh, man. I like it with the bag. Okay. And the Crayola. Okay, there are so many of this in here. There's only during occasion, you know, we can add it to your box. Okay, they're fully stocked. They are replenished. They are restocked. They have the taco. Sweet. Also, the Mediterranean, the olive, minced garlic, the jalapeno. They are stuck. Even the seasoning, they are restock. They're like chocolate popsicle. This is cute. They have the lip balm. They have the tinted lip gloss. Oh, it's open. Finally. Petroleum. This. And the other one. Let's see the other one. There is so hard, like 30 for one. Oh, they also have the star. They have like Never seen it. Oh, they also have the red one. The round. Hello, the rainbow the bee. Can you see this? Oh, I think I've seen that one already. Oh, very cool. Squeeze the day. And also they have these. Hold on. And the dinosaur. The love. Bestie. Fierce. Sassy. Bride. Buddy butter. Oh, okay. Oh, what is this? Trinket bags. Oh, do I need this? $125. Can I have? Oh, what? Oh my God! They have the white. Do I need it? Do I need it? It's cute though. I think that would be good for gifting. Let me see what else can we see it. It's just like this. I did not disarrange or whatever. I found it like this. Okay. Probably know that I like Disney princess. Look. And they also have the Frozen. And yeah, only that. They have the Spider-Man. The Ninja Turtle. Okay. This is cool. I don't know how much is it. Yeah, I found it. This is cute. Look at that. I'm gonna do a kitchen. Oh, there's gonna be so many.